Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save photos in Google Drive. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Google Drive application. And after we have our Google Drive application opened, we can choose either we want to save the photos outside the folder or inside the folder. And if you want to save your photos outside the folder, you can just click on this plus button. Then you can upload your photos outside the folder. You just need to click on upload. Then you can select the photos you would like to save in your Google Drive. Then if you want to save your photos inside the folder, you can create the folder first. You can click on new, then click on folder. And for example, I'm going to name my folder my photos like this. And after you're done naming your folder, you can click on create. And now the folder has been created, and I'm going to upload my photos to this folder. And we can click on the plus button, then click on upload. And for instance, I'm going to select photos from my gallery, this one. I'm just going to pick random photos. I'm gonna go with this one, this one, this one, and this one. Then after we're done selecting the photos, we can click on done. Then just wait until the uploading process completed. Okay, and now the photos have been uploaded. And I guess that's how we can save photos in Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.